Chazal tell us, Mishenichnas Adar Marbin Simcha. Once Chodesh Adar comes, we increase our simcha and joy and happiness. Now, Rashi in Tani, Masechet Tani explains what's the reason, what's so special about this Chodesh, that's the Chodesh of simcha and joy. Rashi tells us a very interesting point. Rashi says, because it is the man of Nisim, Purim Pesach. It's the man of miracle of Purim and Pesach. Very interesting, in other words, Shechnas Adar Marvin Besimcha, because we connect the Nisim of Purim to Pesach. Now, if you compare the notes, we have many miracles on Pesach, many miracles. So the number of the miracles on Pesach is unbelievable. Now, adding Purim to Pesach, how come one more or less is Meshichnas Adar Marvin Besimcha, creates our Simcha? Very, very unbelievable statement. In other words, we have enough Nisim on Pesach. Pesach doesn't need Nisim of Purim to make it joyable and to make the Zeman of Simcha. To be Zeman of Simcha because of the Nisim of Pesach itself. What's this connection help us? Now, Chazal tell us there's a big difference in Haggadah Shel Pesach and Megillat Esther. In Haggadah Shel Pesach, we talk about the HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The name of Hashem is all over. The Nisim, the revealed Nisim of Hashem is all over. And we see HaKadosh Baruch Hu in our sense. Megillat Esther doesn't mention anything about the name of Hashem. There is no name of Hashem. There's only reference is that whenever it says Hamelech, it refers to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. But the name of Hashem is not in all of the Megillah. In other words, all of the nest happened in a very hidden way. Chazal tell us why did it happen like that? Because Torah tells us there's going to be a time that HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Haster Haster et Panai. I'm going to cover my face. And that covering the face, Haster Haster et Panai, is Esther. Esther Minat Torah Minayin is Haster Haster et Panai. Hashem says, I'm going to hide my face. When the Hal Israel do terrible things, they do Avodah Zarah, and the king comes out of the palace, is not going to be there anymore because covered and honor is not there. Therefore, Purim is a period of Nisim while the Hal Israel are doing sins and Hashem hid himself. But Pesach is the man that Hashem openly is hugging the Hal Israel and doing Nisim in a very revealed way. Now, why did Hashem hide himself? Because the Hal Israel went off of derech. They didn't keep Torah mitzvot. They were doing Avodah Zarah. Now, usually when a king abandons the nation, he goes away. He doesn't care for them. But now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu saw that the Hal Israel are in danger. Like a king, that his son did something wrong, he kicked him out of the palace. He said, go for yourself. And after a while, the king thought, it's a prince. It's dangerous for him to be outside. The lion might come, the robbers may come, tigers might come. In other words, he said that, now what should I do? If I want to go and save him, he doesn't deserve it. But if I leave him like that, I feel bad. I'm very concerned about him. What did the king do? King wore a mask and went and stayed in ambush. Anybody came to do something to the prince, he came out from ambush and saved him. Now here, Purim is HaKadosh Baruch Hu is showing unbelievable love to Hal Israel. He says, Hal Israel, you sin, you averot, but still I don't leave you. I wear a mask and I come and I save you. No, that's right. The name of Hashem is not there. The name of Hashem is not there. Because to show that even though that we did so many sins, averot, and we disconnect ourselves from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but Hashem hid himself and still he were in ambush in a hidden way to save us. Therefore, Rashi means that from Purim and Pesach connecting together, from the Nisim of Pesach that Hashem was revealed and the Hal Israel in a very high format of Avodat Hashem. And when they're abundant, it doesn't make a difference. All the time Hashem is with us. Hashem helps us. Hashem gives us a lot. Hashem helps us to the teshuvah, brings Haman that we should do teshuvah and come back. Therefore, that security that we have, that the Baruch Hu is with us, creates simcha, creates joy. Like the Mefarshim say, Rabbi Konissi used to say that, everybody is looking to come to America, they look for happiness from one state to another state, one state to another state. But the real happiness and joy is the state of mind. Once our mind are secure, we know that the Baruch Hu is with us, no matter what happens with us. Doesn't mean that we could do averot and Hashem is with us. Hashem facilitates ways to make us do tshuva. It's like a father that cares for children. He wants them to come back. Creates Haman, creates different things for us to do tshuva. And we should hear our message about Baruch Hu with this kind of father. Purim is the man of Adar, Marim Simcha, because we see that how much Hashem loves us, and no matter what happens to Kahal Israel, still Hashem is watching over them and He loves them. It's the greatest indicator to make us happy in our life.